Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install NodeJS and NPM. So first of all, you'll need to go on this website. I have already just logged in. So we will have over here a code that it tells us how to download the latest version of NPM on the command line. So first of all, you'll need to open command prompt on your PC and you'll need to copy this one over here, double click, right click on the mouse and paste. Alright, just paste it and we will see that it will start working. Just give it a little time over here. Okay, so we can see change 16 packages in 11 seconds. So we need to run the other code npm fund for details and it will show us all the details of the user. Also, we can do this command over here and we will see that we have our version already installed. Okay, see over here? So it's already done. If this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.